DJI is changing everything about how they launch their products out into the world. This is the most significant change for some time, and one that puts the Chinese market squarely in the driving seat for all those shiny new toys. Hey everyone, and as you might be aware, we get our hands on the new products coming out a little early and get to make some exciting launch day content for you, our audience. This is made all the more fun by the fact that our partnership is a little bit different and we're under no pressure to sell, nor do we have to get our content approved. So you get a very low pressure review of sorts. Well, with the recent video teaser that's been dropped by DJI for a product that I think most people might agree is likely to be the DJI Neo 2, who knows? Lots of you have been asking and reaching out to see if we'll be creating content for the product this week, with the video showing the release date of the 30th of October. Now, we obviously cannot discuss this kind of information when prepping for a launch, but we have something of a unique situation here in terms of major changes that DJI have made. There are a couple of hints in the teaser to suggest what might actually be happening with this launch and future launches as well. The launch tagline is in Chinese, even on the video shown on the main DJI social media feeds. That is because DJI are now looking to launch their products in China first, often weeks ahead of the rest of the world. For instance, the DJI Osmo Mobile 8 has already launched in China, so you shouldn't expect to be placing your order here in the UK on the 30th for the new product, whatever that might be, being launched on that day. Why would they do this? Well, there are probably a few reasons behind it, but one that we've heard is to work against the constant leaking of information. You'll notice that prior to the date being announced, there was a little firm details of the product, and certainly not the usual long lead-in of more and more information dropping across social media. You might think that these leaks help DJI in terms of marketing. I've said the same thing myself before, but I have noticed that in recent releases that some of the leaked information has either been incorrect or got the wrong end of the stick in terms of the product capability. This probably leads to a bit of buyer apathy when the product does not turn out to be as strong as first leaked, etc. Personally, I'm thinking that there is probably a few other reasons behind this, including the refocusing of their market, with DJI no longer trying to chase the US market, at least for now, not even releasing their products in the USA at all. We noticed changes with the release of the DJI Mini 5 Pro, with the weight conforming to C0 standards already in place across the EU and the ASA zones, and coming into force in the UK in just a couple of months. If that drone was planned to be released in the USA from the start, I think we would have seen more of a push to ensure it came in under 250 grams every time. This will probably have an impact on the DJI release economy of sorts that we have on social media, although I would expect leakers to simply change tactics a little and seek information earlier to get around this, although perhaps DJI are making other changes to prevent this, who knows. It seems that some popular leakers did express surprise at the release date when it popped up, but that surprise was quickly followed up with a full list of specs and photographs of the alleged product that's been coming out on the 30th across social media. In terms of review channels in the rest of the world, it will probably change how the launches are approached a little bit, I would have thought, with the full product details already being out there. It will be interesting to see how reviews and launch day content changes. In terms of you, the consumer, this will no doubt allow you to see more about the product before you make a launch day decision to purchase, so I suppose it might be a good thing. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below on this one, and if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button to get more updates of this type, as well as lots of other drone content. Sean out.